William Shakespeare's sonnet 116 was published in 1609. Important points of Sonnet 116. Theme of sonnet: true love never dies or love, time and friendship. Metaphor: oh no, it is an ever fixed mark. It is start to every wandering bark. Personification: looks on tempest and is never shaken. Rhyme scheme: A B A B, C D C D, E F E F G G. True love means, according to Sonnet 116, is true love means real or faithful. According to him, a true is one which doesn't change with altering circumstances, absence of time. The theme or gradual development of the poem, Sonnet 116, led me not to the marriage of two minds. This is certainly one of the philosophical sonnets of Shakespeare. He defines true love in a realistic manner and confirms that true love doesn't change in any circumstances. He says very clearly that true love admits no impediments. It is as certain as an ever fixed mark in the sea. Throughout the poem, the poet again and again confirms that true love knows restriction and it remains unaffected even by the time. The poet comments in this respect: love is not love which alters when alliteration finds. A philosophical sonnet, Sonnet 116, led me not to the marriage of true minds. Shakespeare has highlighted the philosophy of time in many of his sonnets. Again and again, he points out that time is the greatest power and it can ruin each and everything in the world. Physical beauty is also the subject of ruin for time. But as far as true love is concerned, time cannot affect it. True love is free from the power of time. In the regard, the poem comments: true love is not timesful, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come.